it's Jennifer. I am back with another video. Thank you for those new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Let me know if you have any comments about specific areas that you also want me to cover. For today's activity, I have chosen a book with a fine motor activity. And I love books as part of my job for lots of different reasons, but of course the fine motor aspect, where we need to use that nice dexterity to open those pages one at a time. I like that we can talk about the items that are on the page. We can use our index finger to isolate and point. We could talk about those open-ended questions. What do you think happened to whatever, or where did he go if he is missing from a page? I like that we are working on all of the visual tracking, that left to right skill for reading, the crossing midline. I like that we are working on attention span, knowing that the kids are progressing in terms of how long they can last for a book, or understanding the concepts of book, answering why or where questions or who questions, depending on the age. The book that I chose for today is called Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, which is an old book, but a goodie. And it has all the different alphabet letters, the lowercase alphabet letters that climb up a tree and fall down, and then the uppercase letters come and rescue them and help them scooch back up the tree. So I like that we can talk about the letters' direction, when they fell, are they upside down, are they sideways, are they right side up, for all those visual perceptual skills as well. So at the end of the story, all of my alphabet letters are back up. They're all going in order, and then the sun is setting, and that's the end of the story. So the activity that I've paired with it is to take a piece of paper, any paper you want, and I chose markers, but you can choose crayons or colored pencils, whatever skill you're specifically working on with your child. And we're going to make a tree. So it doesn't have to be perfect, and if your child can make it, even better, because the more they can do, the better. And we've talked about the process being much more important than the product, so if their tree doesn't exactly look like a tree, that's absolutely fine. And then some branches, and now we have to work on our letters. We can write our letters, we can use stamps, we could use stickers. I had another idea where if I wrote a letter on a piece of paper and scattered it across the room, this is the letter L, then maybe they could find the letter that we were specifically looking for. We could work on putting the letters on the tree in order. We could talk about the uppercase letters or the lowercase letters. If we had a very small child, we could just work on vertical and horizontal strokes. We can maybe work on some tracing. So if I made my L like this, maybe they could color it in or stay inside the lines. I like that this has lots of opportunities and lots of choice making so that we can make our tree, and there is no wrong way to make this tree. Remember, the process versus the product. If we wanted to put it on a vertical surface so that we needed to work on some shoulder girdle strength or to get that wrist in a great position, we could do that as well. So enjoy this activity, have fun, make it your own, stay safe and wash your